biology. Today in this video I will discuss about difference between mitosis and meiosis. So in mitosis it is occur in somatic cell and meiosis occurs in germ cell. In mitosis nucleus divides only once. In meiosis nucleus divides twice. In mitosis two daughter cells are formed. In meiosis four daughter cells are formed. In mitosis daughter cells are diploid. In meiosis daughter cells are haploid. Mitosis occurs more frequently and meiosis occur less frequently. In mitosis, daughter cells forms somatic organ, and in meiosis, daughter cell forms gametes. In mitosis, there are only one prophase, one metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In meiosis, there are two of each phase and 5 subphase in prophase 1. In mitosis, number of chromosome not change. In meiosis, number of chromosome reduced by half. In mitosis, chromosome number doubles at the beginning of each cell division. In meiosis, chromosome number not doubled at the beginning of cell division. It doubles after the end of first meiotic division. No crossing in mitosis, no crossing over in chromosome. In meiosis, crossing over